Hello everyone, welcome back to Duke Perfect 9. In this video I will show you have used VLC Media Player to live streaming. So let's start. For VLC settings, open network stream. This option is open, and then your stream. Then next a network, click your path for control V and next in this setting for MP4 and then next and stream. So we can wait and just playlist bar in this show and you'll see this movie live channel and news and much more videos channel you can see. So playlist series, this is a playlist for multiple channel in live. You can see this. Please subscribe my channel. This is a movie time. Thanks for watching. Thank you.